In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the mirror switch on this Ford F-450. Let's get started. Use a plastic trim tool and pry up on this panel that the mirror switch is held in. There we go. Once you remove it, on the back side, you should see the wiring harness. Disconnect it, but make sure it doesn't fall down into the door. And then, to remove the mirror switch off of this panel, you can just push the sides in. You can also use your trim tool. And it just has two little metal tabs that need to squeeze in, push up and out at the same time. That should release it. Do this to both sides. It's got one of these tabs on each side. Oh, there we go. That's starting to slide through. And there it is. It popped out. Remove it from this panel. There's your old mirror switch. Take the new one and slide it down in. You can't put it in the wrong way because, as you can see, this cutout is directional, so it's not going to fit the wrong way. And now, it's a little bit of a tight squeeze, but you should be able to pop it in, line it up, press it down to make sure it locks in. Just like that. It should be nice and flush at the top here. And now, flip it around, plug in the electrical connector, line up this panel, press it down, and there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.